So let's see the importance of remove CC keyword while using it in sort cards. Here you can see the input data I have used in this exercise. So the data has a numeric field 1 to 5, a serial number or something, then name and address. If you can see the sort card, I'm just copying from input to output, and I'm creating a trailer saying my trailer and number of records. It gives me the count. In the output, I'm just reformatting like for the first position I'm getting the data in input from 6th to length 37, then to the position 38 I'm getting input data from first to the length 5. So if you can see, I'm not using remove CC in this sort card. Let's see what happened when I executed the job. So I got error something like this, the control statements. You can see the sort cards, same thing in the spool. Then it says sort card cannot be used for a report record format without a specified, or it's a VSAM dataset. It says when I tried to check the explanation for this error statement, I have got this information. So it's a critical error. The outfill report specified for the outfill dataset associated with DD name cannot be produced because either it is outfill dataset is VSAM, or the record format specified or retrieved for the outfill dataset does not contain A. A is like ANSI carriage control characters here. So we have to handle this situation. And let's see what are the alternatives we have. So we can let the DF sort set the record format appropriately so that it can set A in the record format, or manually specify a record format that includes A, or the usual ones we follow is specifying the remove CC parameter and the outfill statement. So this A ANSI carriage control characters is not needed in the record format. So here the updated sort card used, everything else is same apart from this keyword remove CC. So let's see what happened when I executed the job with this updated sort card. It ran well, and you can see the spool output for the sort card. Records in and out is 5, same. Sort out, like nothing is deleted because I'm just copying everything. There is no include or omit statement. So I have created one report. Data is 5, so total it is 6 total out. So output data, you can see according to the outright condition, it has copied everything, and it has given the trailer also with the count. Yeah, that's all for this video. In my next video I'll cover the no detail keyword in detail. Thanks for watching.